Good morning, students. Welcome back in your class. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 4 from your book Snapshot. And today we are going to read about chapter number 4, Albert Einstein at School, which has been written by Patrick Pringle. Before going to read, we have to know about the chapter. This chapter has been taken from the biography The Young Einstein, which has been written by Patrick Pringle. In this biography, he describes about the struggling days of Einstein when he was in school and what were the days which were full of the struggles. Let's have a look and read this one chapter with the form of a summary. In that, we are going to read about an incident of a school which belongs to the Einstein. Let's read the chapter. First of all, we have to know about the characters. Obviously, this chapter is a biography of Albert Einstein. The protagonist of the chapter is Albert Einstein, and another character is Yuri, who was the friend of Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein describes him as a good friend. One more character we are going to read in this chapter is Elsa. Elsa is the cousin of Albert Einstein. Let's read what are the important roles of these characters in the life of Albert Einstein. Your chapter begins with the encounter of Albert Einstein with his history teacher. When his history teacher asked about the dates of wars, he denied to give the answer. He said he does not know the dates of the war. When the history teacher asked further why he has not learned the dates, he said, there is no use of the dates of past to learn. And this is the bad education system. This type of conversation he had with his history teacher. Obviously, his history teacher punished him at last. This time is not the new thing for the Albert Einstein. Generally, Albert Einstein has an encounter with the other teachers as well as the history teacher, and at the last he always got the punishment. It shows Albert Einstein is not ready to adopt what the education system is going on those days. He disliked that education system which is not increase the memory or the knowledge of the student. He never accepted to learn about the past mysteries of the education system. So he has the encounter with the teachers. He also disliked the disciplinary part of the school. When we go further in the chapter, we read Albert Einstein not like his surrounding because he lives nearby the slum area. He said school is also like the same, where only the violence voices arises. He compared with the slum because in the school he also the encounters with the teachers, that mean high voices, same he noticed in his neighborhood in slum. He also said his friend, good friend, does not like the place where he lived, as well as he shares his worries about the Elsa, who lives in Berlin, and he said She always worry about him, about his studies. Elsa always says, if I, Albert Einstein, read little more, he will clear his exam. But Albert Einstein does not like the education system. It is very difficult for him to get any diploma from the school. And this diploma is just like a far-fetched dream for Albert Einstein. Now, Albert Einstein starts thinking to come out from the school. He planned some strategy with his friend Yuri. What would the strategy he planned to make him out from the school with the diploma? We will read in the next video. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Welcome back in your class. As you know, we are reading chapter number 4, Albert Einstein at School, which has been written by Patrick Pringle. He has taken this chapter, a biography, the younger Einstein. In last video, we have read about the Einstein encounters with the teacher, history teacher, Mr. Brown. And we read he punished at last. He compared his surroundings with the Yuri surrounding, who considered as a good friend of Albert Einstein. He also shares the worries of Elsa regarding to his studies. Now, we are going to read furthermore summary of this chapter. After getting fed up from the school, he asked to his friend Yuri, he just want to out of the school. But I want the diploma too. Because he knew very well without diploma, he is not able to take admission in the college. He just want to be with his father in Italy. But he will reach Italy without the diploma. His father surely send him back. So he need the help of his friend Yuri. Then Yuri asked if he has any other plan. Einstein gave the plan to him. Einstein says if he knows any doctor who will help them, surely he will get the diploma, as well as there is no need to go school. Yuri asked him how the doctor helped him. Then he explained to him. He said if the doctor prescribed that he had a nervous breakdown and the school is not a suitable place for him, maybe the school had gave the certificate without attending the class. But Yuri has a point. No any doctor supports him to writing a nervous breakdown which he has not. But Albert begged Yuri. Yuri has a good friend circle with the students who has a medical background. At last, Yuri found the doctor, Dr. Weil. He told Albert Einstein, Dr. Weil has completed his doctorate from the university in the last week, and Albert Einstein will be the first patient of him. But Yuri warned him, Don't tell any lie and don't pretending be a illness as a nervous problem you have. At last, Albert be ready for going to the doctor. Yuri again warned him because he considered him as a world's worst liar. Albert Einstein thought whole night about to meet Dr. Will. Next day, when he reached to the doctor, he little bit nervous to talk to him. He felt like really he has some nervous problem. But when he met with the doctor, he explained everything to the doctor, and doctor entertained him as a real patient of nervous breakdown. Yuri explained to the doctor everything which situation has been faced by Albert Einstein. Doctor helped him. He gave the certificate to him. There is a little nervous breakdown. If he attended the school regularly, is not good for his health. Now Albert is happy because there is no need to go school. He submitted his certificate, his prescription in the school, and school gave him off. But Albert Einstein is good in mathematics. He met with his teacher, Mr. Koch. His mathematics teacher knew about his prescriptions and his health. Only the mathematics class is the interesting class for him. And in his class, he never wastes a single 1 minute. Dr. Will helped him to make him out of the school. Mr. Koch knows that if he will not get good marks in mathematics, he will not take admission in good college. At last, he considered his name to the head of the school, and other teachers also submitted their reports in the school. Then head of the school called Albert Einstein. He waited for 2 hours. At the last, when he met with the head, had hand over the diploma to him. Before that, Albert Einstein thought maybe today is the last day of him in the form of expulsion. But at last he got the diploma and he took the admission in the college with the help of his friend Yuri and with the doctor. This is the summary part of this chapter. You have to reread your chapter for enhancing your vocabulary as well as the detailing of the chapter. Thank you.